Citi's secured card is built to be simple and predictable, while Discover's secured card is designed to behave more like a rewards credit card that can later turn into an unsecured account. By the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your situation based on how fast you want to build credit, whether you care about rewards, and how you want your account to upgrade later. Start with how these cards actually differ in real use. Citi's secured card is straightforward. You put down a deposit, use the card, and focus only on building credit history. There is usually no extra structure to think about. That makes it easier if you just want to set it and forget it tool for rebuilding credit without distractions. Discover takes a different approach. It also requires a deposit, but it adds a reward system on top of normal credit building. That means you're not just using it to build history, you're also getting something back when you spend. It also has a clearer path for graduating into an unsecured card over time, depending on how your account performs. Now look at what they have in common, because that part matters more than most people realize. Both cards are secured, which means your deposit acts as protection for the issuer. Both report your activity to the major credit bureaus, which is what actually helps your credit profile grow when payments are on time. And both are meant for people either rebuilding credit or starting from scratch. The difference shows up in how you want to manage your habits. If your goal is strict credit rebuilding with no temptation to overspend, Citi's simpler structure can help you stay focused. There's less going on, so it's easier to treat it like a tool instead of a spending card. If you want credit building plus some long-term upside, Discover is usually more appealing. The reward structure gives you feedback for using the card responsibly, and the upgrade path can make it feel less like a starter card over time. So the decision comes down to behavior, not branding. Choose Citi if you want the most basic credit building setup with minimal features. Choose Discover if you want credit building plus rewards and a clearer path to upgrading later. Quick recap. Citi is simpler and more stripped down. Discover adds rewards and long-term progression. Both help build credit the same way through reporting and responsible use. Next step is simple. Match the card to your spending habits, not the marketing. Then use it for small consistent purchases you can fully pay off. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of credit cards and credit building tools without the confusion.